Troubleshooting an LG refrigerator not making ice. If your LG refrigerator is not making ice, there are some troubleshooting steps you can take that will help you resolve the issue without the need for a technician. Let's begin. If the unit is newly installed, make sure the ice maker is turned on and wait 24 to 48 hours for it to remove all the internal heat and start producing ice. While you are waiting, there are a few other things that can be checked just to make sure everything is in order. Make sure the temperature of the freezer is set between 0 and -4 degrees Fahrenheit. If the freezer temperature is set warmer, the ice will be produced at a slower rate. Make sure the water line is connected to the unit and to the home valve, and that the line is not pinched or kinked. Also make sure that the home valve to the refrigerator is turned on. If the unit has a water dispenser, try dispensing a glass of water. If water dispenses normally, there is no issue with the water supply. If no water dispenses, please visit lg.com/support and enter LG refrigerator, no ice in the search bar. If after 24 to 48 hours the refrigerator is still not producing ice, try resetting the ice maker. The instructions will vary depending on model. Please visit the previous link at LG support, then click Reset Ice Maker and select your type of ice maker. If after performing these troubleshooting steps, the unit is still not producing ice, then it will require repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.